Everyone, welcome back to C Natural DIY channel. Thank you for stopping by. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this herbal shampoo. If it's your first time of watching my video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and also remember to press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. Please, let's get started. Ambunu is an amazing herbal shampoo. It's a great detangler, and at the same time it conditions the hair. Basically, a wash day made easy. Ambunu is a humectant, and so it adds moisture to the hair. It's been used for years as a detangler and a moisturizer. It has been in use for years. It is also a great shampoo. It cleans the hair, detangle, and at the same time conditions the hair. It's an ancient herb for cleansing, moisturizing, and detangling the hair. It contains saponin, which makes it a natural cleanser. I boiled hot water, and after boiling it, I added 3 cups to my bowl. Then I added my Ambunu powder. I used 2 tablespoons of Ambunu powder. So I make sure the lumps, I mixed it very well to avoid lumps in it. And after mixing it properly, I left it, I allowed it to sit for 5 to 10 minutes. After 8 minutes, I use my cheesecloth to strain it. But before using the cheesecloth, I tried using a strainer, but I noticed that the Ambunu leaf was still coming out from the strainer. So I changed to a cheesecloth, and this is perfect for it. Use a cheesecloth when you're trying this to avoid the particles. And after pouring it to my strainer, my cheesecloth, and you gently squeeze out the liquid, the gel from it. At this point, this is the leftover, the chaff, and that I will use later. So after straining it, I pour it into my container and use it as a shampoo on my hair. It was very nice, and using this is very good, and it detangles my hair. If you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share my videos, and like them. See you in my next video. Bye.